The Anker Soundcore Liberty 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2, which comes in at $99. Not to get confused with the Liberty 2 Pro, which comes in at $150. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and various sizes of ear tips and wing tips. The Liberty 2 features 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, AAC, and SBC codec, and it has CVC for noise reduction. Button controls and an app, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The specs are pretty close to the Pro version, with this having a longer battery life. It doesn't have wireless charging, and the IP rating are better on these. But the Pros have the Astria coaxial acoustic architecture, which definitely differentiates it. The case has a glossy finish to it, unlike the Pro version, which has a matte finish. You can see the branding on the top, and on the front, you have the status LED. On the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port along with the charge status button. The lid has a sleek design to it, and it's just a matter of sliding it to the side to get access to the earbuds. It opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are also easy to remove from the case and are held down by magnets. You can see the ear indicator markings inside. Just like the Pro version, the form factor is the same. You can see it has a nice ergonomic shape to it. The outer face has the branding, and it has a glossy finish to it. Each of the earbuds have microphones, LED, interchangeable ear tips, button controls, charging contacts, and interchangeable wingtips. And here they are side by side. Button placement is on the top, and navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of few presses to get the desired function. The Liberty 2 also has a Soundcore app. Once connected, you have access to an assortment of EQ presets. Along with the presets is the Hear ID feature, which will map out your hearing sensitivity and create a customized profile. You can also customize the button assignments in the settings. The case comes in at 3 inches by 2.2 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 48 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 14 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality is good and it came in loud and clear. The other parties had no issues hearing me during calls. The pairing process is instant and you can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Soundcore Liberty 2. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds are comfortable and in line with the Pro version. It created a nice seal for me and provided some good passive noise isolation. It didn't put too much pressure into my ear canals, and I think that's due to the rounded design towards the ear tips. It had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. The case has a sleek design and I like how the lid opens and closes. It can become a bit slippery since it has a glossy finish all around. Earbuds are also durable as well, and the button placement is excellent as it sits on the top, so it won't add additional pressure when navigating. It does protrude out a bit compared to some of your more common designs. Battery life is respectable and I like the fact that it utilizes USB-C for charging. Now when it comes to sound, this definitely doesn't disappoint. You get that deep, prominent bass, and it's pretty close to the Pro version. These surely won't disappoint the bass heads. Mids and highs come in clear, but it would have been nice if it was a bit more forward. The EQ setting is great to have as you have an assortment of presets to choose from and tailor your listening needs to them. Volume levels do get high and I found it to be a pleasant listening experience through various music genres. Overall, I think these are a great pair. The Pro version I would say is taken up to another level compared to these. But that's not to say these don't perform. So if you're already looking at these and have to stay within a certain budget, these are the ones to get. If you can afford the Pro version, then I would definitely consider those. So that is my review of the Liberty 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.